marapar. Komachielo en mithiero mopogore okwako od thieth ma Moi Teaching and Refferal Osiptal e gwenge mag Eldoret kamoting'o nok mar jotije e od thiethno mabende nyalo chopo dwaro mar kwan mamalo mar jotuo mabende chopo e od thiethno odiochieng' ka odiochieng' ne chenro mag thieth. Jata tije e od thiethno Laktar Philip Kirwa owacho ni jotuo mathoth mawuok e konde duto e pacho kae manyo thieth e od thiethno, wach mabende olero ni miyo girito kuom seche mathoth eka mondo giyud thieth.
And of course, it's always the human resource. When you have, on a daily basis, when you have maybe a patients coming to see you in a particular clinic, and you have 300 patients, where you require to spend at least 10 to 15 minutes per patient to understand them, it tells you that you probably have to work and extend to beyond the normal working hours on a daily basis. The second thing, of course, is the issue of our bed spaces. We have a limited number of beds, so patients sometimes have to be booked and wait for time before they get those opportunities. And also for treatment, like for example, for outpatient. Because of the long queues, again, with issues of HR, issues of the equipment, they have to wait for longer before they get the care that they do this.
Kirwa ni loso e kinde mabende kamati mabende chung'ne keto e tema chenro mopogore od bura mamalo ma otelne kod jakom mare Rafael Wanjala ne otimo limbe od thiethno mar ne rango chal ma tich e od thiethno.
We will still go to other hospitals. We want to see, according to the recommendation of the Departmental Committee on Health, there are issues we are going to address, especially when we meet them tomorrow. As we have gone round, we have seen what they lack, what they require, so that we can also help them to get more funding, if possible, from the budget this financial year, possibly where we will find it necessary through the next supplementary budget. From here, we are also going to see the road, Eldoret, Ziwa, Kachbora road, see the status of its implementation and where they have reached.